Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to fix poor soil drainage. Now, I know about this very well. I live on a hill now, so everything drains off pretty well. But when I lived in Vancouver, we lived in an area that was just a mud pit. It was basically a boggy area for 6 months out of the year. So nothing drained. It just sat in muck. So to fix that, there's a few things that we did. And first of all, we put French drains all the way through this property. So basically, you just cut a hole or a drainage ditch, basically, in rows all the way through the property. And then you put some plastic tubing in there just so that it won't break back down and fill it up. And then the water goes down into that tube and it flushes out at the side into the storm drains. And so by doing that, we got a lot of the water out of our beds. But what we found that worked out more than anything is raising everything up. So whatever type of soil you have, especially if you're in a mud, mucky, clay pit, just get a lot of dirt delivered, rocks especially. So if you get a layer of rocks or a layer of compost and you build up your flower beds 1 or 2 feet above the muck, you will find even if you have poor drainage, the plants will do really well because they're above it. So by building up raised beds and putting rocks underneath or building it up, then you will find that the water will not sit where the plants are and everything will grow really well. And you really can't do a lot with the actual muddiest areas. You can try to do the drains and then put maybe some rocks in that area or build a little pond in that area too. That's always nice. But whatever you do, you can never really fix the situation completely. You just have to work around it. So if you have bad drainage, divert the water somewhere else by using ditches or build raised beds above. And especially if you have a lawn and your lawn is just dying because it's wet all the time, get a truckload of compost or potting soil delivered, put it above your existing lawn, and then grass seed it like no get out every spring and fall, and you will find that you'll build it up. And over time, if you've got your lawn maybe a foot above instead of 3 inches above the muck, it'll grow much better, and you'll have a gorgeous garden for the next year.